Today, we're checking out Sea Harbour in Rosemead. It's a legendary dim sum spot in SGV where classic dim sum items are served with a touch of luxury. Join us and see what makes it so special.
It's 9:50. You're the third person in line.
We're gonna bum rush. You're sitting next to a celebrity.
I know, right? It's just like that other one in Monterey Park. All right, so once again, this is a paper menu.
So their small items are $5.38. The medium items are $6.38. Large items are $7.38. The special items are $9.98.
All right, so back to the choices of tea. These are the 6 choices. And we got chrysanthemum. So the vibe in here feels kind of fancy, but not like overly fancy. And it's not too big in here compared to some of the other places, right?
Not like so fancy where like locals don't come. It's totally a locals place.
Number 71, deep fried durian pastry. We don't do that here. We don't do that anywhere.
No, please.
It should be illegal.
What is your first impression?
I think this place is totally our type of vibe. And I like that before, it used to always have such a crazy line here, but we got here and there's still some empty tables at 10:19.
Well, I heard the older lady saying that it's not normal for it to be this empty. It's normally more packed.
But yeah, everything looks really good. We were saying how we've been to some of the more elevated dim sum spots around here. So this one feels like a good in between, like the typical traditional dim sum places here and like the really higher and elevated one like the Chef Tony's or the Bistro 1968. It's been open since 2001 and this is actually our first time here.
This is a Chef Tony specialty. It's a lava bun. It has gold on top and it's black because of the squid ink. This is also a Chef Tony specialty. It's a hagao shrimp dumpling, black because of the squid ink, and there's gold. And then this is also another specialty of Chef Tony with the truffle shumai. This is one of his specialties too, the pork bun, but on top it's like still capped.
But everything looks really good. The only thing that we've dug into so far is the white chicken feet. It has a vinegar taste. This is more Lisa's style. I'm not like crazy about it. I like more like the regular chicken feet. This one's pretty good. I like this one.
Is it super soft or is it more on the harder?
It's pretty soft. So if you like it soft, then it's good. But like the contrast between these two is pretty drastic.
It sits in a brine, and then this one is steamed with a brown sauce.
I want the shumai. The craftsmanship on it. It looks pretty amazing. Yeah, it's very truffly, but the pork is nice and tender. You can kind of see in the skin on the outside is sort of thinner.
Fanciest hagao ever. The texture of the skin is perfect. It's like chewy, not hard. Even though it's been staying here for a little bit, it's not hard. Sometimes if they're not done properly, when it cools down, it's like rock hard. The outside, because of the squid ink, it has like a squid inky taste, but the inside is all shrimp. So you get a squid and a shrimp taste to it.
So is this safe for people who don't like fishy stuff?
No, it tastes fishy. And this lava egg yolk bun.
That's beautiful.
It's sweet and salty.
Good balance.
Eat it while it's hot. The bun on the outside is very soft still and slightly chewy. Steamed rice roll with Chinese donut and shrimp. So it's crispy.
You can see on the inside there the shrimp.
It has soy sauce already on the bottom. It's fun to eat. I would prefer the regular shrimp one. It's really crispy. They do really well. They keep the crispiness. It has a lot of texture. This is the pandan bun. Seems kind of oily. It's really warm. Let's see what's inside. Some shrimp and some meat inside. There's like a gingery flavor. This is really good.
Does it taste very pandan-y?
No, they pan fry it. This one is heavy on the cilantro though. If you're not into cilantro, don't get this.
So Lisa was just saying that we ordered a lot of buns, but there's a lot of specialty bun type items here. We just didn't want to miss out.
Another bun item.
Look how fluffy that is. You can kind of see that it like squeezes in a little bit. That is interesting. I thought it was supposed to be pork inside. And it's kind of like a milk custard. It's sort of pasty.
I can't really tell because it's all white.
It is similar to the way that a pineapple bun is, and it crumbles a little bit, so it's like a lot of really nice textures.
Now we have the egg tart, egg white egg tart.
Egg white and milk.
It's very flaky.
You can see all the layers here.
One bite.
The outside texture is really nice. It's very, very flaky. And the inside is sweet, has like a milky feel to it, nice and creamy.
So which one's your favorite item here?
There's like a three-way tie between all the buns because the buns, they do it really well here. And especially with the pandan one, because that's something we never had before. I really like this.
I like the hagao with the octopus ink. I think that one is really good, but I like seafood.
It's almost 11 and almost every table here is taken. All right, here's the damage. Unfortunately, got to pay for the tea. 86. That's pretty pricey.
It's extremely pricey. It's a lot because we ordered the specialty items.
We have lots of leftovers.
My stomach is full of buns.
We have more dim sum experiences all over SGV. Check out this playlist right here.
See you on our next dim sum adventure. Bye bye.